close-up footage of the animal. After getting close to the predator, it quickly acknowledges their presence and stands up to do something frightening. The clip ends there, but is quickly followed by another video with the same context, which is much more terrifying because of this. The second clip shows not one, but two large predators hunting and chasing them, scaring everybody inside the SUV. Lions are apex predators and can be extremely dangerous to humans. If encountered in the wild, they should be treated with caution. Hopefully they learned their lesson and avoid getting too close next time.